Hello, welcome to 4900 Nebraska Ave here in Huber Heights, Ohio. Here I have a 3-bed, 2 full bath brick ranch. It's got a new roof in 2023, all freshly painted, new flooring, new vinyl flooring throughout. Corner lot here. Fully fenced in backyard, 1-car attached garage, and I'll meet you inside for the tour. Welcome inside. Upon entering the home, you'll notice the spacious living area that leads to the eating kitchen. Got all new vinyl flooring throughout the whole home. New paint as well, neutral colors. Ceilings painted as well. So all fresh paint, all new flooring. Eating kitchen. This door right here is the 1-car attached garage. You got a little eating area here. This goes to the backyard, a fully fenced backyard. Washer and dryer would go in the corner there. Plenty of cabinet space. Appliances are included. Large window looking out the front. Coat closet. Got your furnace and water heater in this closet here, an additional closet here. And we have bedroom number 1. LED lighting in the bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Also got all new baseboards through the house. So flooring, baseboard paint. This is move-in ready. Here's full bath number 1. Don't mind me in the mirror there. The bathtub's been recently refinished. And the nice thing about this house is bedroom number 3, this would have an ensuite bath. This is the biggest of the rooms, bigger closet, and again, full ensuite bath here, and that tub has also just been refinished. Schedule your showings today, as this one will not last. Thanks for taking a tour.